Beat margarine in a mixer, a secret markets don't want you to know. Here I'm using 500 grams of very cold margarine. It must be very cold. Next, I'll add everything into a stand mixer bowl. Once that's done, we'll let it beat very well. This is the ideal consistency. Now we'll remove just this part from the mixer. To enhance it, I'll add some oregano and salt to taste. Now let's give it another quick mix. All done, folks. Let's take it out and transfer to a container. Look at the texture of this margarine. Best of all, it's tripled in quantity. First, I'll put some margarine in a 1-liter container. I'll add the rest to this small tub we used for the margarine. See how amazing this margarine looks, everyone. It goes far. Perfect for bread, cakes, and it's super light. Look how it's tripled in size. Now you'll have margarine for about 3 months. I hope you enjoyed this. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.